how to join channels in Discord on mobile. Now, channels on Discord, by it basically you mean servers. There are two types of servers: public servers or private servers. If you have gotten a link to join a certain server, you can actually join them from your mobile application through Discord app. Once you log into Discord app, tap on the plus icon that you can see on the left hand side, and at the bottom you can see it says if you have an invite, join a server. So when you tap on join a server, here you can simply paste the link to a certain invitation that you got from a server, and once done you can tap on the join with invite link button to join that channel or server. Now let's say if it is a public server that you wish to join. Now that cannot be done from the Discord app. So if you want to join a public server or channel, open your browser on your mobile and go to discord.com. Still, on your browser also on mobile you will see the mobile interface. So we have to switch this to a desktop interface by tapping the three dots icon depending upon the browser we use and selecting this particular option that says desktop site. This is different based on the browser, so just make sure that you find your Discord application through the desktop site. Now here you can see it says open Discord in your browser. Tap on open Discord in your browser and it will ask you to log in right here. So once you open Discord in your browser and you log in, now we can explore some of the public servers. If I zoom in a little bit, at the top left you can see this little compass like icon. So when you tap on this compass like icon right here, you can see many of the public Discord servers that you can choose to join from. So depending upon which one that you want, select a certain server. The rules to join the server will be based and different from each server, by the way. So from there you can find the public servers for Discord as well. This way you can join channel, or also known as server, through Discord application on mobile. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.